Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to solve the equation 5 to the x equals 500 and find the value of x. Step 1. Apply logarithm on both sides. We start by taking log on both sides. Log of 5 to the x equals log of 500. Now apply the logarithmic rule. Log of a to the b equals b times log of a. So, the exponent x comes down. X times log of 5 equals log of 500. Next, divide both sides by log of 5. X equals log of 500 divided by log of 5. Step 2. Prime factorize 500. Now, we simplify log of 500 by breaking 500 into prime factors. 500 divided by 5 equals 100. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So, 500 equals 5 cubed times 2 squared. Thus, x equals log of 5 cubed times 2 squared over log of 5. Step 3. Apply logarithm rules. Use the rule log of a times b equals log of a plus log of b. So, x equals log of 5 cubed over log of 5 plus log of 2 squared over log of 5. Now split the denominator. X equals log of 5 cubed over log of 5 plus log of 2 squared over log of 5. Apply the rule again. Log of a to the b equals b times log of a. Thus, x equals 3 times log of 5 over log of 5 plus 2 times log of 2 over log of 5. Now simplify. Log of 5 over log of 5 equals 1. So, x equals 3 plus 2 times log of 2 over log of 5. And we know log of 2 over log of 5 equals log 5 of 2. Therefore, the final exact answer is x equals 3 plus 2 times log 5